Hey, I'm Bryson with Trick Tools, and this is the Portaband Pro. It turns your Milwaukee bandsaw into a portable chop saw as well as a vertical cutting bandsaw. The Portaband Pro comes with the jig itself as well as an adjustable work fence that allows you to cut from 90 to 30 degrees. It also comes with a stationary fence that gives you the full cutting capacity of the saw when it's bolted on. As an optional deluxe kit, we have a vertical cutting table as well as a work holding clamp. So the Portaband Pro has a gas shock mounted on the side that allows for easy control of the cutting head while making cuts horizontally. It can also be quickly disconnected to be able to place the cutting head in a vertical position. To make cuts with the Portaband Pro in the vertical position and install the table, all you have to do is slide the guard out on your bandsaw, slide the table over the blade, drop it down in position, tighten it up with the knob on the right side here, and you're ready to make cuts. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to go from the vertical cutting position back to the horizontal one. For more information on the Portaband Pro, give us a call or visit our website at Trick-Tools.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on high-performance tools for the fabricator.